Top water, and there's your clock, 7:18. Every minute.
So I'm gonna put this on my arm because, well, I can do this in heavy. So did you know that in survival mode, I gotta tell you that, I have to tell you that, I'm in survival mode.
Chat edit box, slash, slash dash dash here. Crafting.
First, I have to go into creative.
Chat edit box, slash G. Selected chat edit box.
First, you just put in the game now.
Chat edit box, E.
Just put in the game. You just now get your bed, you're back to sleep. And then, wait. I need diamonds. I lost my diamonds. But you don't know. But you have to get them again. So this is how you go into creative. First you push slash.
Chat edit box,
You push
slash.
G. It's pretty simple. Then you push G.
Chat edit box, slash G.
Top one.
Selected suggestion. Selected suggestion. Chat edit box, slash game mode. Selected suggestion. Selected suggestion to chat edit box. Selected suggestion 3 out of 4. Spectator.
Which makes you go through the ground.
Selected suggestion. Selected suggestion. Selected suggestion 1 out of 4. Adventure.
Just walk around and look at stuff.
Selected suggestion 2 out of 4. Creative. Chat ed. Set own game mode to creative mode.
It says set own game mode to creative.
Crafting.
I don't have hearts.
Crafting.
I don't have hearts. I don't have hearts or anything.
Crafting. Search items edit box.
Or I could just go. Those are all the items in Minecraft. And shit, the books, potions, and everything. Look at.
Search items edit box. Search items. Search items edit. Search items edit box. Do. Search items edit box. Search items edit box. Do. Search items edit box. Search items edit box. E.
Look at all these. See? All these. Even Software Virus here. Everything is in the creative mode. If you can't find it in the these, like, these are like the basic items, like plants and stuff and basic. No, these are like items that, like, you need for like one thing. This is combo stuff. Killing stuff, killing animals and stuff. So, I'm change this one of them because I don't know. Let me. And then this right here. If you have a computer, of course. This says destroy item, and then if you do this, see, I have 1 flesh. I don't want that. I have god apples and everything. I push this. I put it over here. Then I click, and it disappeared. See, if I don't want my first wooden pickaxe, which I'm gonna actually keep. I'm gonna keep that though, because I like to keep my wooden pickaxes. This is redstone. Okay, this was the first thing. This is the second technique. If you don't want mobs in this, then do a gate. Nothing but a person can actually get through gates. Only if you're playing the game. You're the only one that can go through that gate. Let me show you. Let me see. Here's a gate. I'm gonna get a gate, and then I'm gonna get. What do you guys want me to get?
Search items edit box.
I'm gonna get zombies.
Search items edit box. Z.
Zombie pillagers spawning? I'm just gonna
search items edit box. Z. Search items edit box. E. Search items edit box. Search items edit box. E. Search items edit box. E.
All I have is some gear on. All I have is like some stone, like a wooden pickaxe, and it's starting to become nighttime. We have to move house quickly. As quickly as we can. Because we don't want our mobs to come in. We don't want our mobs. Just gonna make a quick one because we don't want it to be too big. So here, watch it get close. And then if it does actually get in, I always put a hole. Because sometimes I get punch them out. But right now, we're just doing a quick sketch. Just like this. And now, I'm just starting off with this. I just started off. Might actually have to be something else in zombies, because zombies
Crafting.
What does it go in the day? I don't know. Maybe
Search items edit box.
blazes, but they can get my wood.
Search items edit box. E.
Oh yeah, it's about to turn nighttime. Perfect time. So we got some zombies that we gotta waste on. Are they still on?
Chat edit box.
I should be before.
Selected chat set own game mode to survival mode.
Hey zombie. What is
Select chat edit set own game mode to creative mode.
Or they can go. They'll small. They'll like. Do I really? See.
Chat edit box. Selected set own game mode to survival mode.
Come on. They can't get me. I'm standing right here. They can't not get me. I'm the only one that they can open doors and everything. Not trapdoors and not fences. Any mob cannot open fences. But you are the only one that will be able to open your fence. Do that. See, they come out and they get you. But hold on, let me go.
Chat edit box. Selected set own game mode to creative mode.
That's another fact. That's
Crafting.
Fact. And this is another fact that you probably didn't know. See, it's nighttime and I need to sleep. If you go like this, no, I think you make a circle. Come This is the bed. Stop. Get. No.
Chat edit box.
Oh, I'm off the bed. I saw so much. Oh, because like, why is there so much noise? Oh yeah, and have you
Crafting.
guys ever wondered what these things do? So now, if I have some TNT and I want to set off for my friend or something like that, I have this. But see,
Crafting.
I'm not gonna put the level like TNT though. What's this? If I want to blow up this, that's my spawn. I should probably do it. So, we gotta cover this so it doesn't move. Of course, it's not look. We put this to here, to here. The absorber right here. You know, like here. Yes, I had to go like this. Here. Yes, like that, like that. I go like this. And then I go like, see? I place that with my this is kind of a little feasible.
Chat edit box. Slash. Selected suggestion 2 out of 3. Game. Selected chat edit box. Selected suggestion. Chat edit box. Selected suggestions. Selected suggestion 10 out of 884. Chat edit box. Slash give John Cino D. Selected suggest. Chat edit box. Slash give John Cino D. Chat edit box. Slash give John Cino. Selected suggestion 10 out of 19. Minecraft diamond underscore or.
Diamond chest plate.
Selected chat edit box. Slash give John C. Chat edit box. Chat edit box. Slash give John C. Gave 10,000 diamond chest plate to John Cino.
10,000 diamond chest plates. Yeah. So this might be the end of the video since all my game's gonna lag out. This is the end of the video since my game's gonna lag out. Probably. Just spawned at 10,000. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing. I'm just gonna push minus. Well, guys, yeah, Minecraft doesn't like me too much. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for the video. See you next video. I'll probably do another video probably later, but okay. Bye. Sorry about this. Dad, I'm done. But I crashed my game by spawning in 10,000 diamond chest plates, and I can't even push stop because I spawned in 10,000 diamond chest plates.
How do you do that?
Because I said I did slash give John Cena 10,000 diamond chest plates. This is it went back to normal. I wonder if it's still lagging out. It wants me to leave the game. Oh, it didn't even give me
Crafting.
10,000 chest plates. Oh my gosh, it did.
Crafting.
Dad, look at it. It did. My inventory is full of chest plates, but that's not 10,000. I don't know where the 10,000 went. I think my game I spawned in so much that it disappeared. Only the ones in my inventory. Whoa, that was so cool. Okay.
Crafting.
Okay, now that's it for the video.